Creating digital products can seem like a daunting task, but with the advancements in AI technology, it has become much easier to automate large parts of the process. Today, we're going to talk about 6 powerful AI tools that can help you automate your entire product creation process from start to finish. These tools will not only save you a heap of time, but also help you produce high-quality products quickly and efficiently. Whether you're creating a digital course, an ebook, or even just looking to make content for YouTube, these AI tools can do the heavy lifting for you. So, let's dive into it.
Hey guys, I'm Henry from Product Creation Formula. And here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to better help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, have you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out.
Now let's talk about the 6 AI tools that can automate your product creation process. 1. ChatGPT and 𝗣𝗶𝗰. First up, we have 2 tools that work perfectly together when it comes to generating content and ideas. These are ChatGPT and 𝗣𝗶𝗰. ChatGPT is an excellent tool for generating ideas, creating outlines, and writing content for just about anything. Whether you're working on a blog post, an ebook, or even a course, ChatGPT can help you get started by brainstorming and producing written content based on your prompts. It's incredibly versatile and will take whatever subject you give it and generate clear, concise text that you can refine to fit your style. On the other hand, 𝗣𝗶𝗰 is perfect for image creation and enhancement. If you need images, illustrations, or graphics for your products, 𝗣𝗶𝗰 can generate these quickly and at a professional quality level. You can use it to create ebook covers, course visuals, or even marketing materials for your product. The real power of using both ChatGPT and 𝗣𝗶𝗰 is that you can automate both the written and visual aspects of your product creation process. Let's say you're creating a digital course. You can use ChatGPT to write out the scripts for each module, and then use 𝗣𝗶𝗰 to create any visual elements needed for the lessons, such as infographics or illustrations. Together, they help you produce a polished, cohesive product without spending hours on writing and design work. 2. Creating PowerPoint slides using ChatGPT PowerPoint. Another fantastic feature of ChatGPT is the ability to create PowerPoint slides directly within PowerPoint itself. There's an add-in called ChatGPT PowerPoint that allows you to generate entire PowerPoint presentations using AI. All you have to do is give it a topic, and ChatGPT will create a set of slides for you, complete with text and relevant information. This is perfect if you need to quickly create a slide deck for a course, a presentation, or even for a YouTube video. Once you've generated the slides, you can either customize them to fit your style or directly upload them into tools like Pictory, which I'll talk about in a minute. This is another way that ChatGPT is streamlining the product creation process, saving you time and effort. 3. 𝗂𝗂𝗋 for human-like introductions. The next tool I want to talk about is 𝗂𝗂𝗋. If you're making video content, whether it's for a course or a YouTube video, 𝗂𝗂𝗋 is a fantastic tool to bring a more human touch to your videos. With 𝗂𝗂𝗋, you can create a video avatar or even clone your own likeness to use in the videos. This allows you to introduce the topic with a personalized touch without needing to be on camera yourself. For example, let's say you're creating a beginner video where you're sharing information, not necessarily doing a step-by-step how-to. You can use your 𝗂𝗂𝗋 avatar to introduce the topic at the start of the video, giving it a more human feel that helps build a connection with the viewer. What's even better is that 𝗂𝗂𝗋 lets you upload a Descript clone voiceover and sync it with your avatar. Descript is a powerful tool that allows you to create a cloned version of your voice. You can train the tool with a sample of your voice, and from there, it can generate a voiceover for any script you upload. This gives your videos consistency, and it feels much more personal because it's your voice, just created by AI. Once you've created your cloned voiceover with Descript, upload it to 𝗂𝗂𝗋 to sync it with your avatar. This saves you time while still giving your viewers a personalized introduction that feels engaging and professional. After you're done with this step, you can upload the intro video to 𝗣𝗒𝗄 to move on to the editing phase. 4. 𝗣𝗒𝗄 for video creation and editing. Now, let's talk about 𝗣𝗒𝗄. 𝗣𝗒𝗄 is one of my favorite tools for creating and editing videos. This AI-powered platform allows you to turn text-based content into fully edited videos in minutes. The beauty of 𝗣𝗒𝗄 is that it automatically pairs your script with relevant video clips, images, and animations, making the editing process fast and easy. Once you've generated your script using ChatGPT or created your voiceover with the script, you can upload that script or voiceover into 𝗣𝗒𝗄, and it will take care of the rest. It even has the ability to take PowerPoint slides and turn them into videos, which is perfect for course creation. If you already have a PowerPoint presentation for your course, you can simply upload those slides to 𝗣𝗒𝗄 and let the AI do its magic, transforming your slides into a polished video. This feature is great because you don't have to recreate the wheel, and you can leverage existing content to save time. 𝗣𝗒𝗄 makes it easy to maintain a professional quality throughout your video, and you don't need to worry about doing all the editing yourself. For someone creating beginner videos where you're sharing information, 𝗣𝗒𝗄 is ideal because it automates a lot of the heavy lifting, letting you focus on delivering valuable content. 5. Designer for ebook and e-cover creation. Next up, we have Designer. If you're creating digital products like ebooks or guides, Designer is an excellent tool to automate that process. With Designer, you can easily turn your existing content, whether it's blog posts, scripts, or other text, into a professionally designed ebook. It offers a variety of templates and layouts, so you can choose the one that fits your style and branding. What makes Designer even more useful is that it also has the ability to create e-covers for your ebooks. This gives you a complete package without needing to hire a designer or spend hours in graphic design software. You can customize the look and feel of your ebook to match the course or video content you're creating, adding value to your viewers or clients. For instance, if you're teaching something in a video and want to offer an additional resource, you can use Designer to quickly create an ebook that complements the course or video. This gives your audience more value and helps reinforce what they've learned. And since Designer automates much of the process, it's incredibly efficient. 6. 𝗣script for voice cloning and voiceovers. Finally, let's talk about 𝗣script for voiceovers. 𝗣script is a powerful AI tool that allows you to create cloned versions of your own voice. The way it works is simple. You upload a sample of your voice, and 𝗣script's AI will learn to replicate it. From there, you can input scripts and generate voiceovers using your cloned voice, which is ideal for consistency across multiple videos or courses. This is especially helpful if you're producing informational videos or courses, as it ensures your audio sounds professional and personalized. You no longer have to worry about recording every voiceover manually, as 𝗣script can handle it for you, all while using your actual voice. Once you've created the voiceover, you can upload it to 𝗤𝗂𝗋 to sync with your avatar or to 𝗣𝗒𝗄 for the video creation process. 𝗣script's voice cloning tool is perfect for maintaining a consistent voice in your content, saving you time while still providing that personal touch.
Now, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Also, to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here, well, that's an image of my head. And if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.